How to fix Messenger incoming call not showing on screen. So if you want to fix the Messenger incoming call not showing on screen, then what you need to do is you just need to simply search for the Messenger application, tap and hold on to that Messenger, go with the app info. Once you're under the app info, now you just need to simply go with storage and cache. Under storage and cache, you need to go with clear cache. Once you tap on it, you need to tap on OK and your cache will be cleared. Once you cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and you need to tap on notifications. And under notifications, make sure that you've turned on all of the notifications for Messenger and especially for the calls. Here I have the calls notification. You just need to simply go and toggle on the notification for calls and incoming calls or calls in progress and everything. So that's it. That's how you can fix Messenger incoming call not showing on your screen. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.